In tropical and subtropical countries around the world, there's a plant known as the paradise drink of summer. Its flavor is recognized by millions of people worldwide. The annual coconut consumption reaches over 70 million tons and is transformed into a range of valuable products, from nutritious drinks, premium beauty products, and natural pharmaceuticals to high-quality food ingredients. The shell of this fruit, which may seem like a waste product, is actually a hidden treasure trove of resources. Without further ado, let's embark on a journey to explore the coconut farm together. For older coconut trees, farmers have to climb the tree directly to cut the coconuts. Each coconut tree produces 70 to 100 coconuts per year. To reduce the weight and space before transporting to the next locations, farmers manually remove the coconut shells, making it easier to transport. The fresh coconuts are carefully placed on the boat and sailed across the calm rivers. Millions of coconuts from various places are brought to the coconut collection points. This is where the coconuts temporarily rest before being transported to the processing factories. The coconut processing process in the factory involves several stages combining manual labor. Initially, the coconuts are stripped of their outer shell using hammers or specialized manual tools. Afterward, the brown outer shell of the coconut is shaved or peeled off, ensuring that the coconut meat surface is clean. The coconut paste, after being ground, is transferred into 1000 L containers. This mixture is then fed into a centrifuge machine. The centrifuge processes the lighter coconut oil, which rises to the top and is separated from the water and other impurities. As a result, the extracted coconut oil has high purity, a clear color, and retains the natural fragrance of the coconut. Dried coconut meat is a highly versatile ingredient with various applications in food, cosmetics, and healthcare. The specialized drying oven, with an accurate temperature and humidity control system, helps manage the drying process and ensures the quality of the coconut meat. As mentioned at the beginning, coconut can be utilized not only for its inner part but also for its outer shell. What may seem like waste can actually be processed into a nutritious material for organic farming. Coconut is not only a valuable food source, but also provides many benefits for the environment and the economy. If you want to witness the fascinating intricacies of these production lines and delve deeper into how these factories work, then you can watch our next videos. Currently, two types of goats are being actively developed: dairy goats, also known as milk goats, and fiber goats, which are raised for their wool. In terms of reproduction, they have a gestation period lasting approximately 145 to 155 days. Each birth can result in 1 to 4 kids, with twins being the most common. Their diet includes natural grass, hay, leaves, and straw. Additionally, to supplement nutrition and energy, farmers often provide grains, bran, and protein-rich foods such as soybeans or sunflower seed meal. Now let's return to the steps and follow the process of harvesting the wool from the fiber goats. At these farms, the wool harvesting is carried out manually. This tool helps remove the soft, fine undercoat and the long thread-like outer hair. It may not appear as sharp as one might expect, but it is very gentle and does not cause any pain to the goats. The harvested wool contains dirt, oil, and other impurities. Therefore, it must be thoroughly washed to remove these contaminants and soften the fibers. The cashmere wool will be sent through a processing line for drying and then blown directly into a storage bin. In addition to boosting the economy through their fur, goats are also sought after for their milk. Once the goats are in position, workers attach the automatic milking units to the goat's udders and use soft suction tubes to begin the milking process. Goat meat is widely welcomed by consumers. It is carefully processed and cleaned before being displayed on the shelves of supermarket chains. The goat meat goes through processes such as cleaning, fat trimming, and portioning according to the intended method of preparation. What do you think about this animal? Feel free to share your thoughts with us. Thank you, and see you on our next adventure. Subscribe for more.